Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my first Pixi PR package. I was super excited to be put on Pixi's PR list. I received this in the mail a couple days ago and I've been dying to open it up and review it for you guys. Pixi sent me these products complimentary for testing and reviewing, but keep in mind I am not paid to do this. I am simply wanting to do this for you guys on my YouTube channel, and it's always fun to open up new products. I have no idea what's in here, so let's go ahead and hop into the video. But before we do, I would really love it if throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and I would also love to hear your comments down below. I would also love it if at the end of the video you would check out my other videos that pop up on the sides, and please subscribe to my YouTube family. So now let's hop into it. So this is what the package looks like. Obviously my label was here, I took that off. Ooh, okay, this is really pretty. Ooh. So the inside has like lemons on it, and as you can see, I got these products. Now keep in mind, everything that I go over, I will put the names and the prices down below for you guys so that you can see, and I am going to be testing all of these. So it says, Pixi, in nature there is an ingredient that brightens and adds a touch of color, leaving skin feeling refreshed and ready to glow. Vitamin C is the powerful multitasker. It gifts skin benefits plus a natural no makeup look, which is perfect because I literally just washed my face and put on moisturizer. I'm not going to be wearing makeup today. I'm letting my face have a rest. Let's see. Making vitamin C the perfect treat for a day off. Exactly. Complexion doesn't need to be complex. Meet our Plus C Vit collection. Color enhancers that treat with skin-loving ingredients. So I'm super excited about this because I love Pixi products, only I have only used their makeup and their setting mist. So this is actually my first time ever trying a Pixi skincare product. So thank you, Pixi. I'm so excited to do this. So we have a priming oil, and it says in between, last step of skincare and first step of makeup. Okay. Then we have an under eye brightener, peach flash under eye darkness eliminator. And then there is a lip brightener. I didn't know your lips could be brightened. Peach pout, core packed with antioxidant vitamin C. And then we have a brightening perfector, which is this one. And it says tone correct, vitamin boost for complexion perfection. So let's go. I'm gonna pop these out of the box, which I think the box is super cute, don't you guys? I think it's really cute. And let's go ahead and start trying some of these. I'm excited. Well, we're gonna try all of them, but I'm gonna figure out which one to use first. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the brightening perfector first, and I apologize in advance if you hear anything in the background. There's people outside like mowing the lawn and stuff, but I'm a sucker for scents and I really want to see, let me see what it says first. Vitamin C infused complexion enhancer blurs and perfects to give skin a dewy, radiant finish. Use solo or under makeup for added complexion perfection. So it's almost kind of like a primer. Interesting. So then the priming oil. So this is the last step, like I said. So actually, why don't we try this under eye brightener first? Vitamin C infused under eye perfector blurs and energizes. Tap to apply under the eye, use alone or under concealer. So let's start with this bad boy. And of course ooh, that's an interesting, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a flat applicator. That's really cool. I've actually never seen anything like that. So it has like a slight tint to it. And I'm just gonna pat that under my eye. Probably took a little bit too much of this one. And again, this is what the bottle looks like. There isn't really a scent to it. It's nice and light. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel thick, which is amazing. And I really like that for like an under eye cream, because the skin down here is already so sensitive and you don't want it to feel like bogged down with product. It feels almost like hydrating too. Okay, let's try the next product. Okay, I'm excited about this. This is the Peach Pout. Ooh. Let me first show you the component. And then when you open it, it looks like this. Very cool. I like that. I'm like shoving it up my nose. Okay. There is a little scent to it. It's nice. I like that. It's not sticky at all. It's really nice on the lips. It's so hard to find a good lip balm. I'm gonna keep this on my nightstand. I have a really hard time remembering which I really need to start wearing a lip balm at nighttime, because since it's getting like winter time, well, it's fall right now, but my lips have been so dry when I wake up. So I'm gonna use this at nighttime. Okay, so now we're gonna try the Brightening Perfector. This is what it looks like. And again, so it says vitamin C infused complexion enhancer blurs and perfects to give skin a dewy, radiant finish. Use solo or under makeup for added complexion perfection. It comes out like a white cream. Oh, it feels nice. Ooh, that smells wonderful. Very citrusy. Wow. I like this a lot. It feels really nice. It feels a slight bit greasy. So I guess we'll just have to see how it plays out the rest of the day. Yeah, it's got a little bit of like a grease to it, but it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like a bad greasy. Like, I don't feel like it's clogging my pores. Yeah, it smells amazing. I'm such a sucker for scents. I know it's not great for skincare, but I can't help it. I like smelly things that smell good. Okay, and then here is the priming oil that is like the last step, and that goes before makeup. That's what this looks like. It's a really pretty bottle and it's glass. It's really cool. It comes in a dropper. Oh, how cute. Look at the bottom of this dropper. I don't know if you can see that. I really want to show you. Can you see the bottom of that? It's kind of like a ball. It's so cool. So I'm just gonna put a couple drops, rub it in. Yeah, this is nice. Do a little drop there. I think this is my favorite thing out of the box. Wow, this feels really nice. Wow, yeah. I really like this, and I like literally just put it on and I'm kind of obsessed. It feels really nice. Like, I feel like it's doing its job. It's already soaking into the skin. It's not sticky, it's not greasy. It's nice and light. It feels like clean and fresh. I like that a lot. Wow. Okay, so again, so we had the Pixi Vitamin C Balancing Priming Oil. And then we had the Brightening Perfector, the lip balm, which I also really liked, and then the under eye brightener, which is awesome because I just ran out of my under eye cream and I really like this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's always fun unboxing and trying new products. I really appreciate you guys stopping by to check this video out. Like I said, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would become part of my family and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.